Hello and welcome to the video. There's a reason I'm sat all the way back here. It's the only way I can fit this thing in frame. This is an AR Wing Pro. Those of you that have watched the channel a lot will know that I had a little bit of a hand in helping design this. So it's a plane that's pretty close to my heart. There was a white version made available a while ago. That was from Eachine and Banggood. That was using their electronics and white foam, and the pieces didn't seem completely interchangeable with the SonicModell 1, which I was a bit disappointed about. However, I'm very pleased to say it looks like ZOHD and SonicModell, the two sister companies, are now back working at full strength. And this is their white Falcon version of the AR Wing Pro. And it's basically exactly the same as the black version, with the difference that it's in white. It comes in the same box, it's packaged in the same very protective way, and I have got the PNP one here that comes with the SonicModell electronics, which is the big difference between this one and the one that was available from places like Banggood. So you get two metal geared servos, you get a motor that's branded, that's 2216 1400 kV, an 8x5 inch prop, and a branded 40 amp ESC in here as well. Putting it together, it's exactly the same as any other AR Wing Pro. It's designed to put together in about 10 minutes. This one didn't have the spars in here, so I've had to glue in the spars. I just use something like Yoo-Hoo Pour. It's just dribble a little bit in, press it in and leave it for 10 minutes and you're set. Centered the servos and pop them into position. Again, with a little bit of Yoo-Hoo Pour, run the cables into the connectors in the wings, and then put the decals on. The only thing I've got left to do here is to screw the motor on the back and route the ESC, and that's it. So the design of the model is exactly the same as the AR Wing Pro, the original black version. The mold is identical, so the pieces can be swapped too. It is designed for a very big battery. The whole point of this is a big, steady, stable endurance cruiser. Ideally, you really want to have a 2P4S battery, lithium-ion battery here in the nose, and you also want an action camera here too. If you have that heavy weight in the nose, then you can get central gravity pretty easily. Again, it's got the two side pods, both of which are air cooled. They're very handy for particularly things like modern HD FPV units, and you have the space at the back, which again is massive for all your different pieces, and you even have a spot for your GPS too. So this is very much the same as the original black version. If I was designing this again, for those of you that watch the channel a lot, you'll remember that I actually was involved in the design of this. I'd probably tweak a few things if I was doing it again now. Maybe there's an opportunity to do an update to this design. If there is, then there's a few things I would change. I don't think many people are mounting their HD FPV air units in this spot that we can design for it. It's actually a much better idea to stick it over here in this bay behind the camera. All of the bays in here have channels cut in the foam, so wiring's a piece of cake. Similarly, it might be worthwhile maybe, if I'd had another chance to play with this, extending the nose a little bit, just to make it easier for those pilots not running an action camera and those super big heavy batteries to get central gravity without having to really fight it or stick a load of lead in the nose. But for those of you that have been waiting for an AR Wing Pro in white with official SonicModell electronics, it's here. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.